Hi everybody, happy summer. It is finally June. The sun is out, it's warm. I'm past soup season for now. You know how much I love my soups. And I decided to do a summer series called the Salad Bar this year, where I showed you some different salad recipes that you could try and how to make some different homemade dressings, because I think that they are so far better than any of the jarred stuff that you get at the grocery store. You know, especially the ones that are not refrigerated and just sitting on the shelves and you wonder, what's in that? That can't be great for me. So we are gonna start today in June with an asparagus and pea salad that I really love. This is gonna take no time to put together, guys. Here is the base of it. This is 1-inch pieces of asparagus that I have chopped and blanched in a boiling salted water. About 2 minutes on that. You want it to be tender crisp, so I just want to take that raw edge off of the asparagus but still have a bite to it. You can use fresh garden peas if you can find them. I couldn't, so I am using a bag of frozen peas that I just defrosted. Also in this are delicious, crunchy, peppery radishes. Now this is something that you could eat over a bed of greens, or on the side of something, or just by itself. It lends itself to a lot of different kind of dishes and ways that you might want to incorporate it into a meal. After I blanched and cooled my asparagus, added my peas and my thinly cut radishes, I did toss them in a little bit of lemon juice, some olive oil, salt, and pepper before I even used the dressing, because I want to make sure every layer of this dish is seasoned. You know, we're not just putting dressing on just plain vegetables. But we are gonna add some other stuff now that is really gonna make this pop and zing. So I do have here a bunch of fresh mint. I'm not even gonna bother chopping this. You know, you just take some of these leaves, throw them on top. I mean, if this isn't springy, you know, I don't know what is. Peas and asparagus are known for being really beautiful, bright spring vegetables. So throw this on here. I mean, this comes together truly in no time at all. I think that's enough. I don't want it to taste like a mojito, but I do want that mint to come through. Oh, well, that's a little bit more, why not? I have a log of goat cheese here, and I'm going to add some of that. I like the creaminess and kind of that little bite that goat cheese gives things. And this is super, I mean, you just kind of like chunk it up and, you know, with your hands, just little bits, clean hands, of course. Throw some little bits over your salad. I always like cheese in a salad. I think it's, you know, a nice little fatty component that makes it eat a little bit more like a meal, and just gives it some good texture too. So we've got that. Oops, you know what? I should have gotten a paper towel. Let me do that. Wasn't prepared. Okay. So we've got this base so far. How about something crunchy? How about some roasted and salted pistachios? I love that they're also green. They're already roasted, already salted. Ugh. Drop those guys all over the top. As many as you want. Be liberal. This is your salad. I want a pistachio in every bite. Oh, so good. Roasted hazelnuts would be really good with this as well. So look how fast that went. A couple of minutes. This is every component you need. Asparagus, peas, radish, goat cheese, mint, pistachios. Now we're gonna make a super simple lemon vinaigrette. This also goes by in no time. Most vinaigrette recipes are a 3-to-1 vinegar or oil to vinegar ratio. So you want 3 times the amount of vinegar as you do 3 times the amount of oil, 1 part vinegar. Otherwise it will be way too sour. But you know me, I'm an eyeball gal. Extra virgin olive oil, red wine vinegar, A little dash of that. And you know what you do? You taste and you adjust if you don't like it, right? Need my Dijon mustard. I know I've got that right here. This is a pretty simple and standard kind of French vinaigrette. A little bit of Dijon just for some zing. Some maple syrup for a little bit of sweet. And this is gonna be really, really nice. And use real maple syrup. Don't use like the pancake stuff. That's yucky. To make it a lemon vinaigrette, I am going to use a lemon, of course. If you don't have a microplane like this, you should really invest in one. It's so nice, like a little zester. You just run it across your lemon and you get the nicest little bit of lemon zest. None of the pith, you don't want that, it's very bitter. But like, look at all that nice lemon that I've got now. Drop it in. We're gonna squeeze lemon in here as well. I think more. And I can do that because it's my salad. Oh yes. Salt and pepper. A lot of people, I think, do not salt and pepper, and just a pinch, you know, to your taste. I think a lot of people don't salt and pepper their sandwiches and salads, and you should, you know, because you want to flavor every part of what you're eating, and just adding a little bit of salt and pepper to a sandwich or to the top of a salad before you add your dressing, it's really, really nice, you guys. Highly would recommend. What would a dressing be without a clove of garlic? Smash that, peel it. Look at this, you're eating in no time with a salad like this. And if you have a nice little garden, you know, you can pick these things out of the garden. My nice little salad, or look at that, my garlic press there. Get all of that in. How long did that take? 2 minutes? This is lovely on chicken, on fish, on any kind of salad. I mean, it's just a basic French lemon vinaigrette. Look at that pretty golden color. Let's give that a little taste. Well, it's perfect. It's tangy, it's sweet, it's salty. It's got a little zing from the pepper, a little bit of garlic, that lemon juice. It's a delight. So, you know, you take something like this, and I'm gonna dress this because you know what? You can save this too. This is not gonna go wilty like a lettuce-based salad. Dress that, toss it. Bring this outside to sit on the table as a side for your family, as a meal for all of you. Or, you know, add a piece of salmon to this, add any kind of nice piece of fish to this, a chicken breast, and you have yourself a whole meal with something like this. And these are the kind of easy salads that I like to eat in the summer. You throw them together so fast. This even dress will last in the refrigerator 3, 4, 5 days. Not that I think it's gonna last that long because it's so delicious. And you have so many goodies in here. All, you know, green vegetables, the peppery, you know, radishes here, your creamy goat cheese, your nutty, crunchy nuts. It's really, really good for the spring and for what's in season now. I hope you try it. I hope you like it. And join me next month when we will make a BLT salad with a buttermilk ranch dressing. And I'm also going to be making a fruit salad with an orange lime poppy seed dressing that I like to do. Happy eating, guys. Thanks for watching the Salad Bar.